Hello everyone, Sarah from Industrial Packaging here. I am hoping that you are all well. I wanted to reach out to you with some new educational content about packaging. Today, we will be exploring the different types of stretch films and explaining their properties and applications. So, first things first. What is stretch film? Stretch wrap or stretch film is an extremely elastic plastic wrap that is stretched around various products, such as pallets or boxes, for shipping and transportation. The elastic recovery or stretchability of the film secures the products and ensures they are tightly bound. It is often implemented in the unitizing of various products but can also be leveraged for packaging bundles of small objects. Stretch wrap sticks tightly to itself and is used in millions of companies across the globe. So then, what are the different types of stretch film? First, we have machine stretch, cast stretch, blown stretch, pre-stretch, and hay baling stretch. Machine stretch film was created to be used by a stretch wrap machine. It has the upper hand over hand film in various ways including but not limited to quicker and greater efficiency in packaging, lower material spend, greater safety and superior load containment. The reason that machine stretch is superior to hand stretch is because it is run on a machine which allows for the material's benefits to be maximized. Next we have hand stretch, color stretch, UVI stretch, VCI stretch, vented stretch, reinforced stretch, and finally, no-cling stretch. Cast stretch film has great clarity and is quiet when being removed from the roll. It is fairly simple to stretch. Cast stretch film also provides two-sided cling that keeps products firmly wrapped during transportation. Blown stretch film is generally stronger than the majority of other stretch wraps. It also boasts a greater resistance to tearing. This is advantageous when containing loads that have pointy edges which are vulnerable to collapsing thinner films. Unfortunately, blown film is more expensive and has poorer transparency compared to other films. It also produces what some consider an annoying level of noise when compared to other similar substrates. Pre-stretched film is expanded near its breaking point before it is wrapped onto rolls. This film does not necessitate as much energy as other stretch films to achieve the same wrapping force. Pre-stretched film consumption often uses around 50% less than other stretch films, making for potentially extreme cost reductions. Hay baling stretch film is a multi-layer specialty stretch wrapping substrate made for wrapping baled rolls of hay. It is used primarily in the agricultural and farming industries. Hand stretch film is made exclusively to be wrapped by human labor manually. It is commonly used by companies that wrap small volumes of products. Generally speaking, that would be companies that wrap less than 20 pallets per day. Color stretch films were created to serve a very specialized niche area of packaging needs that other stretch film types cannot properly service. Color stretch film is perfect for warehouse color coding, international transportation or dating inventory. Color stretch wrap is designed to be resistant to puncture. Ultraviolet film is stretch film with special light discouraging additives that defend it from photographic degeneration in applications where wrapped products are kept outside and are exposed to the elements. VCI or vapor corrosion inhibitor stretch film is made specifically for wrapping metal components so they don't rust. This formulation prevents the oxidation of metals and is commonly used to package tools, metal pipes and other metal products or materials. Reinforced stretch films are thick films with especially strong formulations that are used to package and protect extremely heavy loads for transportation and shipping. Vented stretch film is commonly utilized in applications where airflow and oxygen need to be available to the products being packaged. For example, wrapping pallets of wood and hot bakery items. No-cling stretch film is used for packaging products such as carpeting so that the products being packaged can slide on and over each other without getting caught and tearing. In some cases, specialized types of wrapping projects require the implementation of performance films with multiple layers that have very high stretch capabilities. After familiarizing yourself with the different types of stretch film discussed today, You will be able to start formulating your ideas on which is the best fit for your company and the products you are packaging with your machinery or manual labor force. Depending on your budget, packaging line and machinery or lack thereof, you may still not be sure which stretch film is right for you. It would be well advised for you to consider reaching out to at least 3 vendors and asking for recommendations. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is about it for today's information or presentation. Thank you for watching and be sure to tune into Season 2 of Industrial Packaging coming to our YouTube channel soon. Thank you very much for tuning in and have a great day. Goodbye.